Good morning, and you're watching Market Cafe on ET now with me, Vinny Motiwala, along with me, Soumit Sarkar as well. Very good morning to you as well, Soumit.
Good morning, Vinny.
And let's just talk about what the global overnight handover is actually coming in. Finally we are seeing that actually the Wall Street managed to close in the green. US stocks rose as, what Wall Street look was beyond that COVID policies that we've seen coming in China to focus mainly on the strong earnings. Last few set of numbers that actually were coming in. So that is what was the market was actually looking at. And other than that, we are also waiting for the Federal Reserve minutes meeting, which will be coming out. So that is one factor that the markets are keeping an eye out on as well. When you look at the Dow Jones, that too gained in trade. What was main reason for that? Obviously, the strong positive quarterly set of numbers that came in from some of the retailers. Other than that, look at the S&P 500 as well, closed above the 4,000 mark at the highest level that we've seen coming in since September 12th. The Nasdaq too rose more than 1%, and upbeat earnings is what you could actually attribute to the good performance that we saw coming in terms of Wall Street and closing in the green as well. What we saw in terms of earnings as well, Best Buy Company and Abercrombie and Fitch actually boosted the sentiments during the trading session. Good set of numbers was reported there. While Nord Stream Inc. actually reported a lackluster set of numbers coming in the markets, the stock also saw a fall coming in there. So that was, post-market we saw a fall coming in there in the closing deals as well, and that is a factor that is keeping the US futures as of now a bit muted in trade as well. Flat is what you could see the US futures going as of now as well. Moving on, in terms of one more stock that we should talk about is Zoom Videos. They have slipped furthermore in trade as well. Yesterday we saw cuts of around 4% because the company cut its full year revenue guidance on the concerns of slowing consumer spending offsets as well, and that is keeping the stock on the weak side as well. Now, in terms of European markets also, they have actually managed to close in the green as well. Whether you look at the DAX, FTSE or CSE, all have closed in the green. FTSE saw gains of almost 1% coming in trade. So that's the overnight handover that we are seeing coming in. As of now, SGX Nifty is up almost 0.3% in trade, indicating a bit of a muted start for the Indian markets.